welcome to my channel. My name is Natalie. For those who are new here and for those who are not, welcome back. Today I'm going to be doing a tutorial using the new James Charles and Morphe palette. I came up with this look right here. Before we get started, please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and to subscribe before you guys leave. As well as don't forget to hit that notification bell just so you guys are notified for any future videos. As well as don't forget to follow me on all my social media. I will leave everything on the screen as usual. And yeah, if you guys want to see how I got this look, just keep on watching. Okay, so as my transition shade, I'm going to go in with the color 518. And I'm taking that on my Makeup Shack T43 brush. I believe that's what it is. If not, I'll have it down below. And I'm just using this as my transition shade. Okay, so now I'm going to go in with the color, what is this, 10% off, and I'm taking that on my Morphe E22 brush, and I'm just going to apply this to the crease, bringing it, I'm not going to bring it too high, but I'm just going to use this to deepen up that transition shade. And I do go back and forth with the other brush, which was the the Makeup Shack T43 brush, just to blend everything together. Okay, so now the next color I'm going to go in with is No Beans. And I'm just taking this on like a small, super fluffy, tapered brush. And I'm just going to use that to deepen up the crease. And once again, I always go back with the other brushes, which was the Morphe E22 and the Makeup Shack T43 brush. And just to blend everything together, make sure that there's no harsh line. Okay, so the next color I'm going to go in with is the color Spooky, and I'm taking that on, what is this? Oh, my B Bella NG327 brush, and I am just going to keep this color more towards the outer corner of my eye. I don't want to bring it in too much to the inner corner just because I want to keep that smokiness on the outside, but I do want that little bit of definition because it's going to be easier to blend when we do like the glitter and everything and the liner. So, yeah. Okay, so I'm going to take a flat concealer brush and some concealer. I'm using the Nars Radiant Creamy Concealer, and I'm just going to go ahead and cut my crease. And I did go ahead and leave the whole process of me cutting my crease, just because I feel like you guys kind of enjoy seeing the whole process, I guess. Okay, so now I'm taking a flat, fluffy brush, kind of, just to kind of pat out that concealer. I can't talk. Just so that there's no harsh lines, so when we go ahead and use eyeshadow on top of that, it won't be all like blotchy and stuff. If that makes any sense. Anyways, okay, now I'm going to go ahead and set my concealer using a translucent powder. I recently started to use the Maybelline Fit Me translucent powder, or just loose powder, and I actually really like it, so that's what I'm using here. I'm just gonna go ahead and pat that on there, and then I'm gonna go in with the color, what color was this? I think 10% off. Yes, 10% off, and my Morphe E22 brush, and I'm just gonna pat that color right in between where the concealer ends and the outer corner begins. And I'm just blending that out, and then I'm gonna go in with the color No Beans, and I'm gonna apply that closer to the outer edge, just trying to like create more of a smoky outer corner. Oh my gosh, I can't talk today. Anyways, okay, so now the next color I'm going to go in with the Spooky, and I'm taking that on my same B Bella NG327 brush, and I'm just going to continue to smoke out that outer corner just because we kind of lost that when we cut our crease. Okay, so the glitter that I'm going to be using is by Wear Beauty, and it's called Copper Kisses. You can't really see on the video, but that's what it's called. And I'm just applying it with the NYX glitter glue, and I did put out a bunch of it on the back of my hand, and I applied it with a small little brush just so I can outline the crease a little bit better. And then you'll see later on that I just press on the glitter with my fingers, and then I just wipe it away with a fluffy brush. Okay, so now I'm going to go in with my NYX liner. This one is which one is this one? It's their matte one. It honestly reminds me a lot of the NYC one. The brush is really, really similar, so if you're looking for something that's close to that, this one's really good and it dries pretty matte. I'm just going to go ahead and line my eyes, not create a wing, and I'm going to blur. I'm going to smoke out the outer corner using the shade Spooky. Now for my lashes, I'm going to use Tata lashes in the style Hope. If you guys want a percentage off, I'm going to have my code down below. I believe it's like Natallyveee 10. But yeah, their lashes are really, really good. I've used these I don't know how many times already. I want to say that I'm already on my like 10th wear, and they look exactly the same. Super easy to clean, easy to put back on. But yeah, I'll have my discount code down below. Okay, so I'm going to go in with my Maybelline Master Prime primer. This is the hydrating one, and I'm going to apply that all over my face. And I did go in with another primer, which is the Marc Jacob Coconut Primer, just because my face has been really dry and I just need that extra moisture. So then I'm going to go in with my favorite foundation, which is the Marc Jacobs Remarcable Foundation. I'm in the shade 29 Bisque Golden, I believe. I think that's what it's called. If not, I'll have everything down below. And then I'm going to go ahead and go in with my Nars Radiant Creamy Concealer. Dang, my face looks so white right now. I promise it gets better, okay? But I'm going to go ahead and apply that and blend it out with my Beauty Blender and just distribute the rest of the product that's left over on the sponge around my nose, around my mouth. And yeah, okay, so I just want to talk to you guys about the new setting powder that I'm using. It's the Maybelline Fit Me Loose Powder. I don't remember what the shade is, but I'll have everything down below, like I said. And I actually really like it. It's honestly not that bad. I probably would go a shade darker just because sometimes it leaves like a pretty white cast. But other than that, honestly, I really like it. It's super smooth. Okay, so to set the rest of my face, I'm going to go in with my Mercier Candle Glow Sheer Perfecting Powder in the shade 2 and just set all the parts where I did not set with the translucent powder. And you guys already know I'm going to bronze using my Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer. Okay, I want to know what's your guys' favorite bronzers. I want to try the Morphe ones, but I don't know. Just leave me some recommendations down below, please. And then I'm just going to go ahead and chisel out a little bit more using the Too Faced Chocolate Soleil Bronzer and just going right underneath my cheekbones. And then I'm going to go ahead and grab that same Fit Me translucent powder. I'm going to go ahead and clean underneath where I bronzed and contoured. Okay, so now for blush, I'm going in with this NYX blush in Terracotta. I believe the packaging is different now, or they just don't make it anymore because it's really old. But anyways, okay, so to finish off the eyes, I'm going to go in with that same 518 color, apply it all down below, and then, oh, this is going way too slow. we're just gonna wait until I'm done. Okay, and then I'm gonna go in with 10% off and apply that a little closer to the bottom of my eye, like a little closer to the lash line, and just smoke that all out. Okay, so the next color I'm going to go in with is No Beans, and I'm going to apply this right on my lash line, just trying to smoke it out. I'm packing this color on pretty heavily just because I'm going to apply a liner, which is going to be the Pixi... I don't even know what this is called, though. I will have it down below. I'm just going to line my eyes with that. Yeah, it looks so weird when I'm lining my eyes. Now that I'm looking at it from like a different perspective, so it looks kind of gross. Anyways, alright, so then I'm going to go in with the color Spooky and just smoke out or smudge out that liner. Okay, so I ran out of my NYX eye jumbo pencil, so I'm using a regular eye pencil that's white. I'm going to apply that as a base on my inner corner, and then I'm going to go ahead and apply ring light on top of that. Okay, so for highlight, I'm going in with the Wet n Wild Precious Petals, and I'm applying that all over my face. And then to set my face, I'm going to spray the Mario Badescu Skincare Facial Spray with Aloe, Cucumber, and Green Tea. And then to line my lips, I'm going in with the... what is this? The Atarah Lip Liner in the shade Brown, I believe. And then for my lips, I'm going to go in with Labiosmios in the shade Única. This brand is my friend's Jeanette, the one that I did the blindfolded makeup challenge with. So check out, all the information will be down below. This is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and to subscribe before you guys leave, as well as don't forget to hit that notification bell just so you guys are notified for any future videos, as well as don't forget to follow me on all my social media. I will leave everything on the screen as usual, and yeah, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.
I'm a straight rider, 'cause you don't wanna fuck with me.